In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a SaaS app in Lovable. We'll start by heading to Lovable and opening the main workspace. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. From there, click on Dashboard. This is where your projects are managed, and it's the starting point for creating and organizing your app. Inside the dashboard, you can either start a blank project or choose a pre-built SaaS template. The best option depends on how much of the structure you want ready from the beginning. If you want more flexibility, start blank. If you want to move faster, a template can save time. Once you've chosen your starting point, use the chat interface to describe your product vision in clear, plain language. Be specific about what your SaaS app does, who it's for, and the main features you need. The clearer your description is, the better the generated result will usually be. After that, send your prompt and let Lovable begin building the project. This part is important because the platform uses your instructions to shape the app structure, interface, and initial functionality. Once your project is finished generating, you'll be ready to connect the tools that power the app behind the scenes. Next, click the drop-down next to your project title. In that menu, select Project Connectors. This area is where you link external services to your app. One of the most important connections for a SaaS product is Supabase, since it can handle your database and authentication in one place. In your project settings, connect Supabase using the available integration flow. This setup helps you automatically manage key backend features like user signups, logins, session handling, and your core relational database tables. In other words, this is the step that gives your SaaS app a working backend foundation. If you don't immediately see the option you need, click on All Connectors. Then look for Supabase in the list. Once you find it, click Connect an external Supabase project. This lets you attach an existing Supabase setup to your Lovable project instead of starting from scratch. Finally, click Use Supabase to complete the connection. At this point, you'll have your Lovable generated SaaS app connected to a backend service that supports both authentication and data storage. That gives you a strong starting point for building, testing, and refining your product further inside the platform.